Could one spark in the Middle East ignite the next world war? For decades, this region has stood at the center of global power struggles. Today, the tension between the United States and Iran is once again raising dangerous questions. Two powerful forces, two different strategies, and one region that could change the fate of the world. If conflict erupts here, the consequences may reach far beyond the battlefield.
The United States Navy maintains a global presence with massive aircraft carrier strike groups patrolling the oceans. Each carrier acts as a floating airbase capable of projecting power anywhere on the globe. Stealth fighters rise silently into the sky, invisible to radar yet ready to strike. Precision cruise missiles can strike distant targets with unmatched accuracy. Naval radar systems scan the seas, detecting potential threats far beyond the horizon. Carrier-based jets can launch in rapid succession, establishing air dominance over any conflict zone. Naval destroyers unleash defensive missiles against approaching threats with lethal precision. Advanced fighter jets execute high-speed maneuvers to evade enemy detection. Electronic warfare systems jam enemy communications while maintaining secure control. Long-range missiles can neutralize high-value targets from hundreds of miles away.
Aircraft carriers remain the backbone of American naval power projection. Precision-guided munitions give the U.S. military the ability to strike with minimal collateral damage. Carrier air wings dominate the skies over any operational theater. Naval gunfire provides support against surface threats, striking with lethal accuracy. Stealth fighters can penetrate enemy defenses undetected to gather intelligence. Naval aviation maintains rapid response capability in any theater of operations. Advanced targeting systems ensure every missile hits its intended objective. Naval strike groups provide both offensive and defensive dominance across oceans. High-tech surveillance and reconnaissance allow preemptive action anywhere worldwide. The combination of carriers, jets, and precision missiles makes America's military power unmatched across the globe.
Iranian ballistic missiles stand poised in desert silos, ready to launch at a moment's notice. Drones prepare for coordinated strikes, covering vast areas with precision reconnaissance. The Strait of Hormuz remains a strategic choke point, where one strike can disrupt global trade. Mobile missile launchers move stealthily across desert terrain, hidden from satellites. Precision-guided missiles can reach targets hundreds of miles away with devastating effect. Iranian drones scout enemy positions, feeding live intelligence back to command centers. Proxy forces mobilize along key borders, ready to engage if conflict erupts. Coastal missile batteries threaten all shipping lanes in the Gulf. Drone swarms can overwhelm conventional defenses in coordinated attacks. Iran's military strategy relies on speed, surprise, and precise targeting.
The Strait of Hormuz becomes a flashpoint as both sides prepare for confrontation. Missile defense systems on land track and intercept incoming threats with rapid precision. Drones equipped with surveillance tech monitor every movement across the Gulf region. Iran's missile launches are designed to threaten both military and economic targets. Mobile launch platforms allow rapid repositioning, making targeting unpredictable. Proxy forces along borders maintain readiness to strike within hours. Iranian military drills simulate rapid escalation scenarios, preparing for all contingencies. Drone strikes could target aircraft carriers before they reach full combat readiness. The combination of missiles, drones, and proxies gives Iran a strategic advantage in its region. Any conflict here could rapidly escalate, threatening global trade and security.
A sudden spike in oil prices sends shockwaves across global markets. Oil tankers in the Strait of Hormuz face immediate threats, disrupting critical supply routes. Global economies brace for cascading energy shortages and soaring fuel costs. Military forces around the world increase readiness, preparing for potential escalation. One misstep could ignite a global conflict, turning regional tensions into worldwide catastrophe.
From the first global conflicts to the devastating battles of modern times, history is written in explosions and turmoil. For in-depth analyses of wars, global conflicts, and world history, subscribe to The War Unfiltered and press the bell icon to stay updated.